We tend to think of seeing as something our eyes do, but biologically, the eyes don't see anything. They gather light. The brain is the system that turns those signals into colors, shapes, motion, and meaning. Vision is less like a camera recording reality and more like a reconstruction built from clues. Light enters the eye, hits the retina, and triggers a chain reaction in millions of photoreceptors. These cells don't send pictures to the brain. They send electrical patterns, broken into edges, changes in brightness, and subtle shifts in color. The optic nerve delivers this coded information to the visual cortex, where the real work begins. Different areas of the brain process different parts of the image. One region detects motion, another extracts color, others handle depth, shape, and orientation. Only after the brain stitches these pieces together do you experience a stable visual world. But even then, the input is incomplete. You have a blind spot where the optic nerve exits the eye, yet you never see a hole in your vision. The brain fills it in automatically using patterns and context. The same thing happens with the rapid eye movements you constantly make. Without the brain smoothing those jumps, the world would appear to shake and jitter. Color itself is partly a brain-made interpretation. The wavelengths entering your eyes stay the same, but your brain adjusts color based on surrounding light and experience. That's why illusions can trick you. Your vision system is doing its best to interpret, not to record. Perhaps the most surprising part is prediction. Neuroscientists have found that the brain doesn't wait passively for visual input. It predicts what you're about to see, then updates its guess with new information. Most of what you perceive is a blend of sensory data and those predictions. So when you look at the world, you're not seeing it as it is. You're seeing it as your brain constructs it, shaped by biology, memory, expectation, and constant processing. If this sparked a moment of curiosity, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.